In this video, we're going to talk about why our number system is called base 10. So to kind of illustrate this, I'm going to have us read this number, and we would read this number 235. And of course, what we're saying is that we have hundreds, so I'm going to write it that way. We have tens, and we have ones. If we had another digit out front, so let's say I had a 4 out front, that's thousands, right? Everyone playing along? Okay, so our place value goes ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Of course, tens, thousands, hundred thousands, it keeps going. So the reason why it's called base 10 is because when you think of a thing with an exponent, so like if I were to have 2 to the third power, we call this the base, and this is the exponent or power. All right, what we're saying is that in the base 10 system, what's happening is that all the bases over here are 10. This is 10 to powers. So 1,000 is 10 to the third power. So if I take 10 times 10 times 10, I get 1,000. All right, hundreds, that's the same thing as 10 to the second power. So 10 times 10, that's 100. What about the tens spot? That's 10 to the first power. So 10 just times itself is just 10. And then over here, you're probably going, Jen, how am I going to get a 1? That's 10 to the 0th power. Oh, so you may not remember that, but when you have anything to the 0th power, it ends up equaling 1. So that equals 1. This equals 10, this equals 100, and this equals 1,000. That is why our system is called base 10. And if you're wondering, yes, if I go to the 10,000s place, that's 10 to the 4th. If I go to the 100,000s place, that's 10 to the 5th. Okay, so that is why our system is called base 10, because it has to do with ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, all as having a base of 10 to different powers.